In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store currency in Squarespace. If you sell to customers in different regions or you've recently expanded to a new market, setting the right store currency is essential. This change updates the currency symbol and units your customers see across product pages, the cart and checkout, helping reduce confusion and chargebacks. Before you begin, remember that this setting controls the currency your store uses. It doesn't automatically convert existing price amounts. If you're switching from one currency to another, you may want to review your listed prices afterward to ensure they make sense in the new currency. Let's walk through it. From your Squarespace dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear opens your site's settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Selling, then Open Payments. Here, you'll see an option called Store Currency. This is where you control the currency your storefront and checkout will use. Click the currency drop-down and choose the new currency you want your store to display. You'll see a long list covering major and regional currencies. Pick the one that aligns with where most of your customers are or the primary currency supported by your business. Keep in mind, your payment processor has to support this currency as well. If you use Stripe or PayPal, it's a good idea to confirm that your account and country support receiving payments in the currency you select, so transactions settle smoothly. Once you've selected the new currency, click Save. That's the key step that applies the change throughout your site. After saving, your storefront, cart, and checkout will all reflect the currency you chose. Product prices will show with the new symbol and format, and order emails and invoices will use that currency too. A few helpful notes as you consider this update: discounts and gift card balances will display in your store currency. Shipping rates and taxes are also shown in the same currency. Currency formatting, like symbol placement and decimal separators, follows standard conventions for that currency. If you notice caching delays, a quick refresh or checking your site in an incognito window can help you see the updated display. And that's it. Gear icon for settings, open selling and go to payments. Select store currency, choose the currency you want and click Save. With this simple update, your store will present prices clearly and consistently for your customers in the right currency.